Okay, everyone, it says to divide. A trinomial divided by a binomial. When we're doing division of polynomials and we're dividing by a polynomial, so there's not a single term down there, there's not a monomial down there. When that's the case, we use a process of long division. It's one way to do it. That's what we're going to learn first. Here are the steps. The first thing we do is set this up so that it looks like long division. If you remember what that looks like, we take the x plus 2, which was the divisor, and divide that into the dividend, x squared plus 5x plus 6. All right, and then we do the following. We take the x that's here, the first term of the x plus 2, and divide it into the x squared, which is the first term here of the dividend. And when you do that, when you take x divided into x squared, so x squared divided by x, well, the result is just x. And we place that right above the x squared over the division symbol. All right, step 3 is we multiply x times x plus 2. So I'm going to show it over here. X times x plus 2. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is a positive 2x. And I've written that right underneath the x squared plus 5x. The next step is to subtract. I'm going to subtract the x squared plus 2 from x squared plus 5x. So this is a subtraction of polynomials. So remember, everything inside the parentheses has to get subtracted. So if there's a negative in front of the parentheses there, what that means then is I'm going to carry that negative through, which is going to make this a negative and this a negative. And then I just will combine the like terms. So that positive x and that minus x cancel each other out. That 5x and that now it's a minus 2x is 3x. 5x minus 2x is 3x. And I just bring down this plus 6. All right, that was step 4. Step 5, we basically start the process over. Now we take this x and divide it into 3x. So x divided into 3x. Look at that's going to look like this. 3x divided by x. Well, 3x divided by x, well, we're left with 3. So we're going to put that 3 here. Now it's a positive 3, correct? That's a positive 3x divided by a positive x. So it's positive 3. So put a plus 3 there. And now I'm going to multiply that 3 times the x plus 2. Multiply this 3 here times this x plus 2. Well, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is a positive 6. And then we subtract again. So it's a subtraction of a polynomial minus another polynomial. So again, put the parentheses around the second one because we're subtracting the whole thing. Well, that negative is going to change that to a negative and this to a negative. So when we combine the like terms now, the 3x minus 3x goes away, and so does the 6 minus 6 goes away. So there's 0. There's really no remainder. So the result of this division of x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2, the result is x plus 3. So this is the answer. And we can check this answer by taking this times this, and it needs to equal to the numerator. And we could check it easy enough. FOIL, x plus 2 times x plus 3, and we'll confirm that it does equal that numerator. So the answer is x plus 3. There's no remainder.